Hello guys, I am Parth. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you guys how to make an LED blinking circuit using Arduino. So without further ado, let's get started. We would be using Autodesk Tinkercad software over here and would be virtualizing the Arduino. So this is the website. Design new circuit. Let's give it a name. Okay, so the first thing is you can see in this panel, this is the panel for all the components over here. You can search over here Arduino, but it is already available. The first thing is Arduino, and the second thing we would require is a breadboard. In the breadboard, we would connect all the circuitry, and obviously, this is the project for an LED blinking circuit, so we would require an LED. The first thing over here that we would do is connect the ground to this negative terminal line. Let me color it black first for better understanding. Did you guys notice one thing? When I hover over any of these points, a green surrounding appears over them. This is because all of these pins are interconnected. Only this entire row is interconnected, and this entire row is interconnected but separately. This positive and negative, both the rows are not interconnected with each other, but each and every point over here is connected with each other internally. Similarly, if we look over here, these points are arranged vertically and they are connected internally with each other. There is a dividing over here and another set of internal connections in between the points. So the second thing that we would do is connect the anode with any of the point terminals present in the Arduino digital pins. Since LED is a digital device, we would connect it with the digital pins. So here connecting the digital pin D4 to the anode over here. Let me color it red. And now, as the anode is connected, we would need to connect the cathode. We could do that simply by just, okay, let's remove this one and use this ground pin. A bit of stylizing for neat work, and connecting this one over here to this cathode. Okay, this is connected over here. Let me remove it and make it clear. Okay, so it's done. Now we would need to add the code for it. If you have done scratch programming before, you can use that, but I would use hardcore C++ coding over here. Don't worry, I would explain you each and every line of this code. If you are a total beginner and don't know what is happening over here, don't worry, I'm there for you. I would explain you each and every line over here. So the first thing that we would do is in the code, we need to set up that what we are doing and how we are doing it. First, we would use void setup. Void setup is nothing but a function. What we do inside it is we set up all the pins and what are they being used for. So the command inside it is pin mode 4 output. Now, what does this mean? This means that the pin 4 would output electric current. Now, the second method is void loop. In this method, we generally tend to do the stuff which would happen continuously within a loop. So, the first thing is digital write 4 comma high. This means that the pin number 4 would give out electric impulse over here to power the light up. Now delay 1000. This 1000 is in milliseconds. This means that I am adding a delay of 1 second. Now the same command again, digital write, but this time it would be low. Now why low? High means it's just like turning a switch on. High is for giving power out. It is just like switching a bulb on. What happens when you switch a bulb on? Electricity flows to the light bulb, and now when you change that high to low, it means that you are switching off the electricity. It would stop passing electricity to the electric bulb, and again a delay of 1 second. Okay, so let's run this code. As you can see, the LED is blinking. It's working completely fine, but there is a problem. The first thing is the current which is passing over here through the LED. It's way too much for the LED to handle. That is why this exclamation sign is coming over here. We need to restrict the flow of current. For this, we would need a resistor. The work of resistor is it would reduce the voltage of the electric current passing through it. Now what we would do is simply take this and join it over here. Now what have I done? I have told you before that these points are all interconnected. So this falls in the same line, this one. But there is a bridge over here. Now when I am passing electric current from the point pin 4, it is going through the wire, coming into this point. As all of these are interconnected, the current is flowing through a resistor. While flowing through the resistor, the electric current, the voltage, it's getting reduced, and it is coming over here. In these internal connections, it is going and passing through the internal connections and finally to the LED. Now, if we start the simulation again, we would see that the Arduino is passing the current and the LED is blinking, and there is no exclamation sign. So this is the LED blinking circuit over here. You are now good to go. Wait. There's a gentle reminder. If you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up.